be able to do it, Foxymon. I love going outside to see the cities of Belstenstone Sinnoh, and I called it Citrus, and this is a very beautiful place in Sinnoh. There's a lot of people and animals in the city. I really know, Toby, that's what I'm coming with you. I guess I'm going to come with you, and I might ask you about the Panamon for the first time. 2 Panamon each. For Wolfamon and Coyotemon, and this is what I prefer, canines too. Toby! Where are you? Foxymon! What are you walking? Toby, wait up! You can't go everywhere. Come back, please! Don't leave me! Stay with me! Toby! Foxymon! Where are you walking? You're going to come with me forever. Huh? Uh-oh. Stop! You're going to be on accident. No, Foxymon, you're not going everywhere. I'm sorry, but I won't do it again, Charlie. I will be always going to come with you, but you're kidding. Foxymon, you are right. Don't worry, Foxymon. Yeah, that's alright. Don't worry, Toby. You're going to be always fine. My apologies can always come. Wolfamon? Coyotemon? Yes, Foxymon. I can do it, Fox. Can you see you two, please?